Hi everyone, let me give you 6 pointers on what to do or not to do when soon after you get a mortgage approval. Number one, make sure you continue to make your payments, your regular credit payments on time. That would be your mortgage payments, your car loan, your car lease, student credit card or student loan, student line of credit, your credit cards and such. Now, the main reason for that is that even though we have already done your credit check and presented that and reviewed by both the lender and the mortgage insurer, there are certain reasons why a lender or the mortgage insurer will ask us to repull credit. Such reasons as, we're asking for more than what we originally approved for. Two, maybe we're making some changes to the amortization. Sometimes also, number three, sometimes when we ask for a change in product or a change in lender, that definitely could cause a new credit check. So make sure that your current credit payments are being done on time, currently, and even past after the approval date. Number two, try to avoid asking for new credit. So if you go to a store and they're giving you some store discounts on a specific purchase, and 5-10%, make sure you try to avoid that for now. Not until after, avoid until after closing. Same thing with car loans or car leases or anything like that. Any new credit product, try to avoid it until after the closing date. Number three, employment status. Don't change your employment status. So if we've already approved you based on your current employment, try not to change to another career or start your own business or go to another potential employment where you can get a probationary period and such. So make sure you keep your current employment until closing. After closing, certainly, if there is another good opportunity that'll pay you more, or you wanted to start your own business, that's certainly up to you. Number four, make sure you have proof of all large deposits. So with anti-money laundering, we have to show where the money is coming from. But we also need to prove that those deposits are not borrowed funds either, because they'll affect our ratios and stuff. So any large deposits that's unusual from, let's say, your regular employment income, make sure that you track where that's coming from, because we need to get copies of those and present them over to the lender. Number five, make sure that you don't go on extended vacations. Now, going on extended vacations right now obviously is less likely during the pandemic, but certainly if you have a closing date or an upcoming closing date, make sure that you're in the country, you're in the vicinity at least a week before and a week after of the closing date. Now, a week after, honestly, it could be up to you, but certainly at least a week before closing date, make sure that you're available. Number six, avoid co-signing for any new credit product for somebody else. So if it's for your brother, your sister, your son, your daughter, for mom or dad, even though certainly those are good ways to help a family member, at least for now, help yourself by avoiding applying for or co-signing for any new credit products. They'll throw off our calculations and such, and if that's something not been put forth to the lender and the insurer, it may affect your mortgage approval that you currently have. Thank you and have a good day.